Okay, so this is separate shipping per product, version 1.0, installation instruction. This, people, I finally got it corrected and everything, and you will be able to separate shipping per products. Okay, so this is what you're going to see in the zip folder is install.html. So you open it up, it'll come up in your favorite web browser and give you the steps to need. Only 6 steps, people. So step 1 is to upload all the files to your shop. Now the program I use for this is FileZilla by the Mozilla Corporation. I've already logged into my site, and demo is the site for my um, shop, or my live shop. Okay. When you unzip the installation, you will have a folder called Separate Shipping per Product version 1.0 folder. Double click on that. Now you're going to have 2 folders within that called Extras and Installation. The extras contain all the programs that I use, such as FileZilla, Notepad++, um, all that good, all some extra goodies, plus a couple sample files for later on. So let's go to the installation. In here, you will find the install HTML or text file, and the troubleshooting is if you run into any problems. So once you get here, right click on the catalog and make sure you're in the right directory of your remote site. The right side of FileZilla is going to be your server. The left side is going to be your home computer. So once you right click on catalog, select upload. Now it will ask you if you want to overwrite the files or folders or anything like that. Go ahead and say select over. Always use this option for overwrite in FileZilla. Okay. Now, once your files are uploaded, doesn't take too long at all. We are on to step 2. I've already done step 3 through 5, um, but I'm going to show you how to do step 2 so you see how FileZilla handles it. So, step 2 reads, add these lines to both catalog includes database tables and catalog admin includes database tables. This step is extremely important for my module to work. So you select it, triple click in FileZilla, copy. Now we go to FileZilla. We'll open up catalog. It'll take a little bit. It always takes a little bit for FileZilla for some reason. Yeah. Okay. We'll just wait. While you're waiting for this, you can remove. Okay, if that comes up, just double click it and it'll come up. It's probably a session issue. Anyhow, go down to catalog includes. Now find database tables right here. Now, right click on it and go view edit. Now, I've already done this for a previous installation video. Um, However, I just, I'm trying to do it correctly. Now, for the thing that we copied, put it anywhere before the last question mark and greater than symbol for the PHP. So, there it is. Now, separate the lines. Now, the program I use is Notepad++. I am including a version of it with your extras folder. It is an excellent, excellent editing program. You should use it. Okay, so now once you do that and click on save, anytime you save a file in your thing, FileZilla is smart enough to say that the file is changed. So upload it, yeah, sure. And do not check this box unless you're absolutely certain that you edited everything correctly. So click yes. That'll be done. Now, step 3, this is for the text in the separate shipping box. If you see the box heading separate shipping under modules as text in there, you have not done this step. Okay. Step 4. This is important because without this, you cannot set your rates. This basically points it to the separate rate PHP file. And that's in the admin includes file names PHP file. Step 5, this actually puts a link this in admin to the separate rate box. Okay. Step 6, this is the easiest step of all other than step 1. So enable separate shipping by pressing the install button. Sounds pretty simple. So we're going to the administration. If you did everything right, you should see separate shipping under modules. If you see box text separate shipping or heading, then you have not done step 3. I mean box heading separate shipping. Okay? So please do step 3. You'll get the separate shipping underneath that. Now step 5 actually puts this box here. If you don't see it, you miss step 5. So click on shipping, go down to separate shipping, and press install. But before you do that, I'm going to show you what happens when you don't do that. Now, this is the error that will come up if either one of two things have not happened. It's either you did not do step 2, where you added the lines to both the catalog include database tables and the include database tables. Step 2. Or, as in this case, we did not install our module in the first place. Okay, so let's go down and install it. Okay, now you see all those functions. That'll be in the separate shipping per product version 1.0 configuration part 1. Now let's take a look at that separate shipping box. Looks familiar, huh? This is based on the catalog box or category products box. See? However, it looks a little slightly different. The reason I did this was because it's easier for the install, and not only that, if you start messing around editing your category products page, you can screw up your shop. So anyhow, that's it. If you like everything, please give me a holler. I use Cam Studio. for all my videos. It's an excellent program. I'll be including it with the extras as well.